Good morning, beautiful people, and welcome back to another episode. Today we're going to be working on Saphire. Saphire is on its way to getting everything except for the mirrors done. I had some issues with the mirrors, so I had Carlos he's gonna fix them. But we do have the front and rear bumpers here. I did put the front lip on the front bumper. It looks pretty good, but it is just, you know, regular plastic, so it's really not going to be anything super crazy. The rear bumper itself looks really good. It does need to be wet sanded, which Carlos will be doing. He said that he wanted me to do it. He wanted me to put the front and rear bumpers on the car, and then he'll wet sand everything together. Hopefully he'll probably do the whole car. That'd be awesome. But the first thing I need to do, oh, this thing is about to fall. The first thing I do need to do is bring some of this stuff inside. It is very overcast today, and look at that. It's very dark, and I don't know if it's gonna rain. I did feel a couple raindrops, so I'm kind of fearing that it's gonna rain while I'm sitting outside doing some of this stuff. So I'm gonna bring this stuff inside. I do have two boxes over here, one from MA Performance, one from STM. I think you guys know what the STM one is, but if you guys don't know, this thing does not have a rear crash bar. So STM makes a rear crash bar for this, and I think they powder coat it black, so that's gonna go on, and we should be good. I had to modify the exhaust a little bit. It is a legit AMS exhaust, as you guys saw from a long time ago, legit AMS exhaust, and it's really nice. There's a couple things that I really need to worry about. One, I need to worry about the license plate light, and the second I need to worry about is there's the harness that's there. The harness goes to the license plate light, and everything works in tandem. I just don't know if I'm gonna be able to get it to do everything the right way. So let me bring some of this stuff inside, and we're gonna get rocking and rolling on getting this bad boy on. At least the rear bumper. The front bumper is not gonna be as crazy, but it's still gonna be somewhat of a nightmare to get on. But everything is here. I am ready to rock and roll, and we can keep it moving. Still don't have I have stock taillights. I'll probably just throw the stock taillights back in it for right now, and I'll worry about getting aftermarket taillights in a while. But let me set the camera up somewhere. Let's get this rear bumper taken apart and the new stuff put on, and we'll just go from there. So let's go. All right, guys, so now that I have everything inside, luckily I did, because it's just getting darker and darker outside. But I do need to take the skeleton out of here. So what you're gonna do when you're doing your JDM rear, unless you buy brand new ones, then that's a different story. But you have to cut the skeletons out of this, and it all depends on how you want to do it. You know, you could do it either one of two ways. You can either go from underneath and cut, like I'll show you. So you can cut these bad boys at the back here, which is probably what I'm gonna do, or you can just drill them out from the top. But you have to take the skeleton out of both sides, this side and this side. So yeah, just so that you know. And you might just have to take this bad boy out too. This is for the license plate lights. So yeah, I think that's really all I'm going to need to do. So I'm gonna go get I think I need to go get my grinder and start hacking away at these bad boys so I can get this done. So give me a minute, I'll be right back. All right, ladies and gentlemen, folks, so I do have everything kind of finished. Oh, I got like stuff all over my camera. But I do have the left and right done, everything, all the pop rivets out. So next thing you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to put this in with the pop rivets. So I have a pop rivet gun, so should have a pop rivet gun. And I have extra pop rivets in there, so nothing crazy. I think I got that from like AutoZone or something like that. These I got from Harbor Freight, I think. Should be a bunch of pop rivets. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna put these bad boys in. As you guys know, I either like to listen to music or watch TV while I'm actually like filming. Today it's TV time, so yeah, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna get these lights off. They're just literally looks like it's just doesn't look like it's secure there. So yeah, let me get this secured up and we can move on. So give me 1 second. All right, ladies and gentlemen, folks, so I do have everything new pop clips. I had a problem up here, but no big deal. All the rest of them look really good here. So we are ready to actually put this, well, not ready, but I still got to put this STM crash bar on. So let's crack that open real quick. Like I said before, I've had a couple of these parts for a while now, so should be pretty simple actually to install. Oh, it comes with hardware too. Jeez. Oh, brand new hardware. That's awesome. Was not expecting that, I'm gonna be honest with you. But yeah, super simple. Really not yeah, done in this wrinkle black, which is freaking awesome. So very happy. Holy crap, this is all a lot nicer than I thought actually. Well, as soon as I can get it all unwrapped here. Sorry, but yeah, this looks, wow, this looks really good. I'm not even gonna lie to you. And it literally just sits like this, bang, like that, up on their rear, and you just bolt it down. And like I said before, they give you new hardware, which is freaking awesome. So 4 new bolts and a couple washers and such for the license plate, which we will be using. And hopefully I can put this plate on. So I noticed something. The Evo 8 has this plate, and it was bolted to something, but there's nothing to bolt it to here. So my guess is that I can probably get away with bolting it to this somewhere. Yeah, probably right there, like that, and kind of going from there. So you already know what this is. I gotta do something about this, but it's good because I can actually the hole is actually big enough here. Hole is big enough here so that like I can bolt it to it and still not have any issues. So let me set the camera up and let's get it rocking. So let's go. This took me a little bit longer than I expected. I had to chase the holes here, but ultimately this thing ain't going nowheres. Hopefully I got this right as far as the license plate placing. I think it goes down like this, but like I said before, I will be trying to I'm gonna powder coat this because this just looks like ass, and I'm going to put it somewhere around here's. Hopefully like it'll be all right. What I might just do is actually cut these out because I actually have more of these. I might try to cut those out and put this behind it like this, then pop clip those in, then put the rear bumper on. But I don't know exactly what I'm gonna do just yet. I have to see if I even have if I even have this size. If I do have this size, cool. If I don't have that size, might be in some trouble. But I definitely want to test fit this bumper because I've been meaning to get it on for a long time, and it definitely, like with the front and rear bumpers on, it does definitely make the car. But this is definitely one of those ones that I definitely want to try first, because I don't think it's going to stay on for right now, just because I want to get that powder coated and I want to make sure that that's solid. If I can get to these pop rivet things or whatever afterwards, then I'll do that, but I'll have to see. So yeah, let me get the camera set up and let's try to see if we can't fit this rear bumper. So let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, folks, so I took a couple minutes and drilled these bad boys out from the front and in the back. I do have two more brand new, they're M6 plugs that go here, but like I said before, I will be taking this and powder coating this so that it's actually like a decently nice color, and then I'll put the pop clips over this, and then the plate will go over that. So should be perfectly fine, but this is no bueno. This is no bueno. So I want to make sure that that looks good. But with that being said, I'm pretty sure I can probably put the rear bumper on and affix it for the rest of its duration, I think. Yeah, at least I'm pretty sure. Other than that, I don't think I really have much. I think that's really it. There are supposed to be bolts that go here from the inside to the outside, but I don't have those because when I got this car, it was, like I said before, it was all junked. It was pretty bad of a car, but it is what it is. So let's set the camera up and let's get this rear bumper on and looking good. So let's go. All right, so I'm pretty sure you guys can tell what's going on here. So this bar, I have this bar upside down. So I was figuring it was it was the right way, but obviously it isn't. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try this once again, and then we'll get back to where we were right here, and we'll go from there. So give me a second. Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen, folks. So OEM reliability right here. Fit and finish looks really good. No crazy gaps anywhere or anything like that. So, yeah. All right, so the STM thing, I think, was upside down. I'm gonna stick with that for right now, only because, let me show you. So I had to bend these, like, these little, you know, things here a little bit, and I think I might just do it a little bit more. Here's why. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna be doing here. So I'm gonna bend it a little bit more so that the license plate lights are up high like this. Well, hopefully they're up there. Hopefully they're gonna be high enough. And we're gonna go from there. So like I said before, I will be taking this and powder coating it because this is just, it's just ugly. You know what I'm saying? Like you already know how I do. Can't just put it, like, make it look ugly or whatever. But it does look really, really good. I am a little bit concerned. The AMS exhaust does look really, really good. It doesn't stick out that far. But it is making contact with the one side over here. So I'm a little concerned, but not that crazy. So I made sure that I had the bottom pop clip on right here. Make sure that's good, so the bottom isn't going anywhere. On this side, everything looks solid. So it looks really, really, really good. So very, very excited. Very, very excited. And yeah, OEM reliability, like I said before, it looks fantastic. So everything fits really, really nice. I put the stock headlights back in, the Evo 8 headlights. It doesn't look horrible, but I don't know how I feel about it just yet. I made sure I put these things back in here. Make sure you put these in you know, whatever, these splash guards or whatever for the rear bumper, because it does line up everything like this. I did it on both sides, so make sure. Next thing I will be touching is the front bumper. I don't think I'm gonna do it on this video because I think this video will be long enough. I don't think I'm really gonna make a video for it, to be honest with you, but I might just throw it on. So I might just take a little bit of time right now, get everything together and throw everything on. In that MAP performance box is the front grille for the Evo 9. So hopefully that fits up and everything works out good, because I will have to, I know for a fact that I will have fitment issues up front, but we will be getting that done. But yeah, let me get this front bumper on and I'll update you when it's all finished up. So let's go. Wow, ladies and gentlemen, it has been a couple hours. I had some family stuff to do and I had some other stuff to do. But yeah, I got special guests, babes. So without even, I haven't showed the viewers yet, but what do you think? What do you think of the car?
It looks so good.
Oh my goodness.
I think it's gonna be a keeper.
A freaking keeper. This is great. So let me get to that B-roll real quick. Ladies and gentlefolk, I am super excited on how this project is coming out. The car looks fantastic. I think it looks good. Danielle think it looks good, right, babes? Like, I swear, it's definitely coming a lot further than I had ever assumed that it would come. But like, I still need the mirrors, and you guys already know, like, the interior, it's a little lackluster. I do need to do something about it, but plans in the works. Next thing I will be working on is trying to find, like, what do you guys think about these taillights? They're OEM taillights. You already know what it is, but this is not an Evo 9, so they don't come with Evo 9 taillights, but it is what it is. I need to figure something out. They do look really, they look lackluster. Let's be real. They're all OEM, and I don't like it at all. It's too much. But the next thing I will be doing is looking at these wheels, looking to do wheels, and trying to upgrade my brakes and rotors, because they definitely need some work too. So yeah, this is where I'm gonna leave this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the content. Saphire will be back with more content very soon, and I cannot wait. But until then, like, comment, subscribe. I will see you guys on the next one. Deuce.